Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, audience.
Morning.
I will introduce myself. My name is Alika Salsabella. I come from Banyuwangi. I will tell a story about Hussein's bullying story by Imam Mukmin. Hussein's bullying story. In a village, there lived a widow with her son named Hussein. Hussein came from a poor family. His mother was just a grocery vendor. They were underestimated by the society because of their poorness. One day, when Hussein went to school, he got a lot of teasing from his friends. They said that Hussein did not deserve to school because he was a very poor person. One of them said, "You're not supposed to be here in this school, poor." Not only he got teased, but Hussein also became the subject of bullying by his friends. After school, he always complained to his mother while sobbing. "Stop crying, son. Make your friends insult as motivation to prove that you are better than them," said Hussein's mother. Hussein nodded while wiping his tears and said to his mother, "I will, Mom." The next day, Hussein went back to school. However, that day no one informed him that there would be a daily test. Hussein did not study seriously, so he got bad grades. He was increasingly teased by his friends. Since then, Hussein decided not to continue his school because he could not stand with the teasing from his friends. For several days of Hussein not going to school, a very kind teacher named Mrs. Hafsa came to Hussein's house. Her gentle and wise words melted Hussein's heart. "Hussein, you must keep going to school. With school, you will gain knowledge. The knowledge will make you have some skills. The skills will lead you to achieve success. The most important thing is that you must study hard for your future," said Mrs. Hafsa. He noticed her advice. Hussein immediately changed his mind. He convinced himself to study hard and ignore the taunts from his friends. Then, the next day, he came back to school again confidently. His efforts were not in vain. For his persistent study, Hussein got first rank in his class. Although many of his friends still mocked him, Hussein ignored them and focused on studying to get satisfactory results. He became addicted to study. He sometimes joined into some competition, and in some of them, he also won some trophies. His friends who bullied him, they were finally ashamed, knowing that Hussein was better than others. Hussein turned bullying into his motivation to be better and better. Hussein is grateful to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. He states that in this world, nothing is impossible. All can be achieved if we are willing to keep trying and praying.